Now we are going to discuss about chlorinated lime. Chlorinated lime gas chemical formula is COCl. Synonym bleaching powder, chloride of lime. It is manufactured by the action of chlorine on calcium hydroxide on a slaked lime, which must be pure or dry. So that can treat with chlorine. So water is separate. It's a dual white powder with characteristics odor. On exposure to air, it becomes moist or decompose with the loss of chlorine. That show bactericidal action. Also used as a disinfectant. Also ingredient in the preparation of surgical chlorinated soda solution, which is used as a disinfectant in wounds. Also as a cleansing agent for water closets, drain, effluent, also as a ingredients in detergents. Next is iodine. Iodine mainly used for cut wounds. Widely distributed nature in combined states. Seawater also contain minute traces of combined iodine, also absorbed by marine plants. Most seafoods contain iodines, largest proportion like 0.005 in the dried stream of Lamiaria digitata. So preparation, it's mainly prepared from seaweeds. In the sea waters contain iodine in the form of iodides. These are absorbed by some plants like Lamiaria digitata. These are dried or burnt. So sodium iodide plus chlorine so form sodium chloride plus iodine. So that can extract with water. So that is purified to remove chloride, sulfate, sulfides, thiosulfates, also treated with chlorine, so result in a precipitation of iodine. Also prepared from child salt, which is formed in childs in South America, so contains sodium nitrate. Also during its crystallization, so sodium nitrate separate as a crystalline form. Sodium iodide remain in mother liqueurs, so iodine is obtained from this liqueur by treat with sodium hydrogen sulfate. It's a bluish black plates or small crystalline forms that have an irritant odor or pungent taste, volatile at room temperature, slightly soluble in water. Next is it's incompatible. It's incompatible with alkalis and alkalis carbonates. Topically used as an anti-infectives. Powerful bactericidal action, also used for disinfectant unbroken skin. So generally used as a weak iodine solution, mainly used for application to the mucous membrane. Also for throat infections like in throat pain, pharyngitis, follicular tonsils, also as a counter irritant. That is, iodine is essential elements in human diet, so deficiency that can cause goiter. So common salt mainly used for the deficiency or for as a food purpose for recover the deficiency of iodine. Next, solution of iodine. There are different solution of iodine like aqueous solution, which is also known as Lugol solution, which does not contain an alcohol, that contain 5% of iodine or 10% potassium iodide. In weak iodine, 2% weight by volume iodine or 2.5% potassium iodide. Next is borax. Borax is H3BO3. It's mainly used in solution, ointment, in dusting powder as antiseptic, non-irritating properties. Also in an ophthalmic, mainly as a buffer or in eye washes. Next, boric acid. Borax Na2B4O7 10H2O, sodium borate, sodium tetraborates. That is a crystalline powder mainly stored in airtight containers. Incompatible, it precipitate the alkaloids and give rise to alkalis or boric acid. So precipitate alkaloids like cocaine, from the solution of their salt, incompatible with mercury chlorides, antibacterial action, and show also toxicity. So only 2% solution in use in eye wash, in gargles, in mouthwash, or in wet dressing. Next, silver nitrate. Silver nitrate means chemical formula AgNO3. So that can also be protein precipitant antimicrobial, so that can prepared by treated with concentrated nitric acids. So water, nitric acid, or silver nitrate that can form. It's a white odorless powder, metallic taste, springly soluble in alcohol, or store in tightly closed light resistance container, incompatible with alkalis, halogen, salt, phosphate. It can also use as a astringent or bactericidal or bacteriostatic properties because it causes protein precipitations. Also cause the precipitation with tissue protein, also chloride in tissue fluids. So 1% solution used in ophthalmic, mainly used for eyes of newborn baby or prophylaxis of ophthalmia neonatum. 0.5% in wet dressing or in burning area or patient suffering from third degree burn to reduce the infections. Next, mild silver protein. Mild silver protein, that is variable. It's a dark brown scales or granules, hygroscopic in nature, absorb moisture. It's a silver colloidal chemicals are used, mainly not more than 19%. It's freely soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol. It forms a colloidal solution when dissolved in water, or it contains free silver ions that are mainly used as a antibacterials, mainly to irrigate the urethra or bladder in prophylaxis or treatment of infection of respiratory tract. Also used prolonged use that can cause argyria, means ki darkening of the skin. Next one is mercury. Mercury means Hg. So synonym hydrazirum. Its properties, it treated with oxygen, so mercury that can form properties. It's a white shining crystalline in nature. It's mainly used as a cathartics, or it's a poisonous in nature or prolonged use that cause different side effects. So avoid contact with that skin. So use carefully. Next is mercury compounds. Mercury compounds means inorganic mercury compounds. They are highly toxic and poisonous in nature. So that are mainly used as an antiseptic or disinfectant or diuretics, which increase the flow of urine, like example mercillic acid, mercurofilin, mercaptomarin, sodiums. There are different drugs which are including in mercury compounds, like yellow mercuric oxide, HgO, yellowish precipitates that can be prepared by the process involving higher temperatures. So that can formed on higher temperature, that can treated with sodium hydroxide, that is a odorless yellowish powder that is insoluble in water and alcohol but soluble in an acids, that can store in a well closed containers. Due to insolubility, that has mild, sustained local antibacterial properties. So use infection or inflammation of an eyes, including conjunctivitis, also used in an ophthalmic ointment. Next is ammoniated mercury, that is a white precipitate that can be prepared by treated with ammonia. So ammonia, precipitated of ammonium mercury is formed, which is collected on a filter or washed with cold water or dried at a temperatures. Next is property, that is a heavy white amorphous powder insoluble in water but soluble in different salt that can decomposed by cold water. It's mainly used as an anti-infective, antimicrobial, or destroy the thread form, or mainly used in skin infections. Next, zinc. It's a white powder insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol. It's antifungal agents mainly used in treatment of dermatophytosis. Next, sodium antimony gluconate. Its formula is C6H8NaO7Sb, that is antimony sodium gluconates. It's a amorphous powder soluble in water but insoluble in alcohol, that is a chemically different from sodium stibogluconates, that is mainly used in leishmania disease, that is also known as Kala-Azar. Thank you.